the strength to climb it. Please don't move that stumbling block, but lead me all around it. Lord, don't move that mountain. Give me the strength to climb.